Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but if you will decide that you'd like to download the updates, then I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi. So now let's start by opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down, almost all the way, because here we have to scroll up a little bit and find system updates. Let's simply tap on it. Here we have to simply tap on check for updates, and now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, so everything it looks fine, you're good to go. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.